Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To get to the fog lights, you'll have to raise and support the vehicle because you need to unclip these two clips down the bottom. And then there's one way up here if your vehicle still has it. And then if you have a trim clip tool, you can use that to help pry it out. Might want to have new ones on hand because sometimes these break, and you might have to break them to get them out of here. And I'll just push the old part through. All right, so now I can pull this plastic shield out. To remove the fog light lens, you can unplug the light. You can unplug the light bulb or just pull it out of the housing. I'm going to unplug it though, just so I don't have the light bulb hanging. So you push the lock in and then pull the connector off, and we'll just leave that hanging. I'll put it up here so it's out of the way. There's two push clips on the bottom I need to remove. Use this flat bladed screwdriver, pry it out. Do the same for both. With those removed, the fog light housing will push out from the front of the bumper. So I want to put my hand here so it doesn't fall, and I'll slide it out of the bumper and grab onto it. And there we have it. So to reinstall it, these metal bolts will go at the top, put it into the bumper, slide it in place. These metal bolts come through those locating holes. You can see the holes where the clips came out of. So I'll get the clips ready to go. Push them out, or actually push that part in, and then push the center part in with the clip to lock it. Do the same for both. Clip those in. And then we'll plug these in here. And that procedure will be exactly the same as the other side. So put the plastic shield back in place. Slide it up inside the bumper. And line it up with the holes there. Reinstall the push clips. You can put just the center part in first, and then, just put the outer part in and then the center in to lock it. So simply just push it out. If it doesn't want to come all the way out, and give them a little tug. Push it in here. And reinstall this clip here.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.